wishes to everyone. We are back for social class. See, I feel pleasure to see you in this session. See here. See, we are seeking that great thinkers and new faith. This is your history lesson 2, term 2. We are seeking that great thinkers and new faith. This is your continuation of this lesson. See, Buddha's 4 noble truths. So we are going to discuss about this only. That is Buddha's 4 noble truths. See, who is Buddha? See, he is the founder of Buddhism. See, what is mean by Buddhism? That is Buddhism. That is ancient religion in this world. Yes. So both Jainism and Buddhism are the ancient religion in this world. Yes. See, they are the follower of, that is, monks. They are similar to the monk people. Yes. So they are like the Brahmanya people, right? So that is the both Jainism and Buddhism. So he is the founder of Buddhism. Yes. So we are going to seek about that. That is Buddha's 4 noble truths. That is honest truth, right? So he is a honest person. Yes. So he always refers, he always defines the purity and discipline. Yes. So activities of the people. Yes. So we are going to discuss about that. See, first one is, that is, life is full of sorrow and misery. See, what he is insisting in this means, that is, life is full of sorrow. What is mean by sorrow? That is sadness. Yes, always being sad, right? And misery. Misery is not being well. Yes, see, it is similar to sorrow. Like, see, sorrow is sad, always being sad, and misery, not being well. Yes, not in good condition. Yes, always being sad. Yes. So next one is, desire is the cause of misery. So why? Because, see, misery, why the people are being misery means, see, for this reason, that is, desire means what? In Tamil, asaigal. Yes, asai. So that is the main reason, that is the main cause of being misery. Yes. So while we are feeling that is over desired us, so in that situation, we used to be a misery. Yes. See, because we should control ourselves. We should not be, that is, we should not feel like a jealous on others. We should avoid that. We should not expect more than we are having. Yes. So what we are having, we should satisfy with that. Okay. So we should follow that. So that is the good thing. That is the good-minded person. That is the good-thoughted person, right? So desire is the cause of misery. That is the main reason of being misery, right? So then, sorrows and sufferings can be removed by giving up one's desire. See, for that, this is the precaution. This is the prevention. See, we should share with others. Whatever we are having, see, we should share with others. That is the good character, good role, right? So sorrows and sufferings, we can able to remove this. We can able to stop this. See, by the way of, that is, sharing with one's desire, our desire to others, right? So our property to others, right? So by giving up one's desire, yes, then the desire can be overcome by following the right path. So these are all the right path. We can able to overcome the desire, right? So the desire can be overcome by following these right path. So these are the 4 noble truths of Buddha, right? Next, 8-fold path. See, the fold path means what? It is Madangu Padi, right? So 8 shortcuts. So a shortcut of, that is, following these methods. So let me see that. So first one is right view, right thought, right speech, right action, right livelihood, right effort. So these, then right knowledge and right meditation. So these are the 8-fold path. That is, which is Buddha is insisting to follow this. Yes, Buddha is, it is mentioned here to follow these good path. Yes, for the people. See, what are the 8 path? See, let me repeat that. Right view, right thought, right speech, right action, right livelihood, right effort, right knowledge, right meditation, right? See here, what is meant by this? Right view. That is, we should see it in a good view, right? See, whatever it is, whether it may be a right or wrong, yes, good or bad, but we should view it in a good manner. right? Good view. Yes, then everything will be in a good condition, right? So next one, right thought. So we always be in a good-minded person, good thoughtful person, right? Then right speech. So we should always use the right words, right sentence, good speech. We should always deliver the good speech to everyone. Yes. Then right action. So we always express our action in a good manner, right? Then right livelihood. So varvadar. Yes, livelihood. So we should process our life in good condition, that is good manner, right? As a good person, we should monitor as a good person. Then right effort, we should put right effort in all the thing, in everything, in every field of action, right? So whatever we are doing, yes, whatever we are proceeding, we should put good effort in that. Then only we can able to get victory in that, right? Then right knowledge. So we should be that is excellent. We should be excellent in knowledge. Yes. Then right meditation. So always we should keep our that is mind and thought in a peaceful manner. So for that we need to do meditation. We should that is meditate our thoughts, right? So always we should do meditation. We should relax ourselves, right? Then so the teachings, so these are all the 8 path, that is fold path, yes, which is delivered by the Buddha, right? Then the teachings of Buddha were simple and taught in language for communication. So the teachings, that is by the Buddha, see the teaching, what are the teachings that is provided by the Buddha? The teachings of Buddha were simple, always it will be a simple one, but it contains many useful thoughts and the thought and language for communication. So his teaching will be always, yes, very useful for the people, and it is mainly essential for communication. Yes, so communication of people, interaction, that is keeping interaction between both, right? So the conversation, right? So for communication only we are using the language. So that is the main purpose, no? Then since the teachings address the everyday concern of the people. So his teachings always addressed the everyday concern of the people, right? So communication is very, very essential for conversation, for communicating. Yes. So am I right? So since the teachings address this, especially Buddha's teaching will always address the people. That is everyday process, everyday communication. Yes. So we need to communicate. We are in need to communicate. Then only we can able to move the life. So for that we need communication. So Buddha's instruction and principles, that is very useful for the people, right? So he was opposed to rituals and sacrifices. So finally what he is insisting here, that is he was opposed to rituals and sacrifices. See what does mean by rituals? Rituals and sacrifices. See, rituals means, that is Sadangal. In Tamil, Sadangal, that is festivals, regarding festivals, especially based on religious festival. Yes, so madams are the Sadangal. Yes, so in Tamil. So he always used to oppose that. See, he always restrict that. See, he won't ask to contain that religious festival. Yes, so he is always opposed to do that. So he was the opposer. He was against to rituals and sacrifices. What does mean by sacrifice? Yes, tyagam, right? So he always opposed these two things, that is rituals and sacrifices. Yes, so we should lead a good life. So that is what he is expecting from the people, right? So that's all about this Buddha's 4 noble truths and 8-fold path. Yes, so let's we see the next session. Yes, that's all about this. So thank you for being a part of the session. Thank you.